Hey Future Matt, so I got new glasses, don't know if you can tell. They're pretty similar to the old ones, but no little bit of tape holding them together. They're a bit bigger as well. Like I'm going proper nerdy big glasses, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, they're stronger as well, and it's quite a big jump up from my last glasses, so like I can see really far away now, and it's very strange for me. And also like my depth perception's a bit out, so I'm just a bit disorientated a lot of the time. But they're good though. I think apparently I'll get used to them, so it's fine. But anyway, my parents are coming down tomorrow for my graduation, and I'm gonna sort of move out a bunch of stuff and kind of say goodbye to this room. And I'm someone that prides myself on having a room that's representative of me. Like it's not just a room with my things in. It becomes my own. It becomes a representation of who I am at some particular time. And this is really my room that represents university for me. Like it's got a lot of like little memories, little bits, little tidbits, and a lot of bits that I've made my own and just kind of done myself. So in the spirit of that, and to say goodbye to this room, I thought I'd do a little room tour, just a little look around at what I've built.